So I thought I'd take it a little bit easier and do a really quick trunk light install. This is pretty much a male pigtail for the wedge bulbs that are used in the trunk. And then I was able to get these lights from, I think it's superbrightled.com. I can't remember. I'll put the website below as well as the models. And then I was able to get these off Amazon. I'll put the link below for these as well. So we're in my garage. So there's the light right there. I've replaced it with, it's a really cheap LED bulb. I think sometimes it goes in and out. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to drill holes into this. I'm gonna have to drill a hole into this and then take the wedge bulb out. I think I'm gonna zip tie it to the actual headliner right here. This stuff, I don't want to put onto the torsion springs, just because the torsion springs are always constantly moving. So it may not work very well. Alright guys, so I was able to get that small trunk piece out. Just a few tips. Here's the coat hanger. In order to take it out, there are 4 tabs that you just push in, inward. You don't need to push it towards you, you just push them in at the same time. And then it just pops right out. And the dome light itself, you have just that one clip, so if you're viewing it from the inside of the car, you just stick your index finger in here and then you just squeeze in on this part right here and then it'll just come right out. It's just on that side. On this side there's nothing. It's just the retainer section. And then of course you just disconnect it from the wire right here. It's just the, you know, your normal connector clip. Here it is installed. I haven't wired it up yet. I don't even think you really needed to remove the hangers at all. I think you can just take a drill and just drill straight through this part and then put the zip tie through without removing it. Well, that's something I would have tried first, rather than remove this top liner. It was kind of a pain to put it back, just because it's the tabs are going into metal. Alright guys, so I finished installing everything. I plugged it in with my eyes closed, so you know, hopefully I plugged it in the right way. I kind of want to do the first impression with you guys, so here it is. Hopefully it'll work the first time. And it didn't. Alright guys, well, here's try number 2. Hopefully I rewired this time right. And there we go. Wow. Jacket is super thick. I think it's because it's meant for outdoor use. I use the same exact ones for the underglow for my WRX. But here it is, pretty much lit up. This is the cool white. Couple tips. Don't cut the wire for the LED light if you don't have to. The jacket's really thick. It's very difficult to I guess cut the sleeve. If you can figure out how to kind of customize it so it's not sticking out, and then just kind of tuck it away, that should be fine. I'm probably just going to check the connections one more time, but it looks pretty good. Let me just go ahead and step back a little bit for you guys to show you. I'll do a before pic too, just so you guys can compare, and I'll show it to you. I'll basically just reinstall the old Cobb light. I'm sure I'll just put it in the corner up there. But overall, I'm really happy with this. It's an easy mod, kind of short. Just real fast. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.